You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our presentation of CSC126 on Baihaqi car rental services. We are excited to showcase our user-friendly car rental system that aim to provide you with a seamless and convenient experience. In the next few minutes, we will take you through the project summary, objective, analysis, design algorithm, source code, and sample out of outputs. So let's get started and explore the world of hassle car rentals. Thank you for joining us today.
This is group projects, project summary, objective of project, analysis input process output, flowchart and procedure code, source code, sample of output.
For summary of this project, before this, customer will ask the company for rent a car via WhatsApp or walk into the shop. But it is humans' work and it has a limit when it comes to time, which is midnight. If the customer wants to rent a car online, he or she needs to WhatsApp the company tomorrow morning. It is taking time to the company to reply, and if a lot of customers wants to rent a car, it makes the situation harder because the company needs to reply to them one by one. Now, this problem can be overcome by using our new programming system that allow customers to rent the car anywhere, anytime, and make a multiply orders to their friends. This is our four objectives of project. The first one is to facilitate car rental transaction between customers and companies, to develop a user-friendly car rental system, to store rental information, and to deploy the car rental system. By achieving this objective, you can create a well-rounded and effective car rental system that provides a pleasant experience for users and efficiently manage the rental process, leading to the customer satisfaction and potentially business growth.
Okay, now we move to problem analysis, which is we need to identify the input, process, and the output. For the input first, we need to ask the customer detail, which is we ask for their full name, the reason for renting the car, identification number of the user, and the occupation. The second one is rental information. We ask the user to select car model and the number of days for which the car they are rented. For the third one is add-on. We ask the user if they want to add on the service or not. Next, we move to the process. First, we gather the customer or user personal information including name, purpose, IC number and occupation. Second one is car model selection, which we display the available car model option to the customer or user and accept their choice of car model. The third one is we request the number of days the customer want to rent the car. Next, if the user or customer is student, they are eligible for a discount. The next one is add-on selection. We offer the customer a list of add-ons and allow the customer to select one or more add-ons. And we will calculate the total price of the selected add-ons. After that, we calculate the total rental price, including the base price, add-on price, tax and deposit. Then we will display the detail of the rental price. The last one is loop control. We ask the user or customer if they want to continue renting another car, and if the customer wants to continue, the process will repeat. If not, the process will exit and proceed to the next step. The last one for the analysis is output. First, the output will display the customer or user names, purpose, IC numbers, occupation, and any applicable discount. The second one, the output will display the selected car model, rental duration, and any chosen add-ons. The last one is the output will display the base price of the rental, display any applied discount and the discounted amount, display the price of the selected add-ons, and display the total price including taxes and deposits.
Okay, next we will proceed to pseudocode and flowchart section. Do you know why you use pseudocode and flowchart? Okay, we use them to design algorithm before we make C++ program. So this is pseudocode, and the program we start with ask the customers name, purposes, identity card number, and occupation, whether students or worker. So this is selection control, where the program will read students and then display that you are eligible to get 20% discount. As if the customer is worker, then display price without discount. So the program will ask the customer input email and phone number, also car model for the customer to rent a car. Then program will read car model, and the program will ask user again to how long that they want to rent. Is it half day or how many days? Then the program will read half day or then enter if customer want add-ons. Also this is section control again, and program will read why and display choices as process, proceed to the process, and customer will enter add-on choices, and the program will read if user enter 0 to exit add-on shop. And this process, the program will calculate price after discount, price after tax, and price after add-ons. So then the program will display customers' personal information, purpose, rental information, and deposit. Then the program will read if user want to continue make multiple orders. Then repeat again the program as break the program. So the program will calculate total, sum, and average prices, check the highest or lower prices, and lastly for the output, the program will display total, sum, average, highest, and lowest prices. The end.
So this is our flowchart. Okay, this is our source code. It is divided into two main functions, which is calculate price and calculate total price. In the main function, we also incorporated a loop that allows the user to continue renting cars until they choose to exit. After each rental, the total price is stored in an array for later analysis. After all the rentals, we perform data analysis on the array to determine the total number of rentals, the sum of total price, the average total price, as well as the highest and the lowest total price. This gives us valuable insight into the overall performance of our car rental system.
Lastly is output sample. In this output sample, customer need to enter their details information such as name, purpose to rent a car, SC number, occupation such as student or worker, email, and phone number. After they are complete their details information, the output will display 5 types of car model that user can rent. Next step is the user can enter which car model they would like to choose, such as Myvi, Azia, Saga, S5M, and lastly Hilux. Next, the user need to choose half day or more than 1 day. In this output sample, the user choose to rent a car for 5 days. If we can see here, the output display we are sorry, there is no discount. This is because the user enter worker, not a student. Only a student can get 20% discount for this rental. If the user are interested to add-ons, they can press Y. After pressing Y button, the customer will be given 5 options of add-ons. Next, the customer is only need to enter add-on number that they like to choose. After they choose one of the option, they are able to choose another option. The customers can stop these add-ons by pressing 0 button. After that, the output will display personal information and rental information of the customer. Finally, the output will display the price for your rental car. The price, discount, tax, deposit, and total price. The total price is a amount from the price of the rental car, the tax, deposit, and add-ons. So the total amount paid is 2,255 and 40 cents. In this output also show total rentals, sum of total price, average total price, deepest total price, and lowest total price.